It literally just sucks the hair around the barrel. Hello my lovelies and welcome back. I'm so excited for this video because we are working with Dyson, who is also sponsoring this video. Thank you for including us in this amazing, innovative launch of your new Dyson Airwrap. We're so excited. We got a chance to fly to LA and play around with this tool. Actually, I did. Android couldn't see it. So that was kind of cool. I only played with it for a little bit and I was just so overwhelmed because I've never seen anything like this before. But today I really played around with it. I created this amazing look using only one barrel. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Let's just jump right in. So let's start off with the price, right? Everybody wants to know how much does it cost. So it does come with 3 different types of packages that you can choose from. The first package is smooth and controlled. The second package is volume and shape. And then the third package is the complete package, which is what I have today. And the price starts at $499 US up to $549, all US dollars. And yes, it is pricey, but it does come with a lot of different attachments. So let's just jump right in and start unboxing this amazing, magical new hair tool. Oh, it's finally here! I'm so excited. If you have been living under a rock or just don't know what's going on in the social media world, Dyson revealed their new hair product. This is their new Dyson Airwrap. How exciting. Look how perfectly we match. Oh my goodness. Smells brand new. I need to hurry up with this unboxing just because it works best on damp hair. As you can see, my hair is damp. I think I'm gonna spray it a little bit more right here in the front, but let's quickly unbox it. So you get this for your top. This is just a nice little set to put your tools when they're hot. Ooh. Look how pretty she is, all brand new, ready to be played with. This is the color scheme that I have for my Dyson hairdryer, which I love. With the complete package, you get 8 different separate attachments that you can attach to your Airwrap barrel. So you get the pre-styling hairdryer. How cute is this? It's so cute and miniature, I love it. And then you get 2 of each curling barrel. So you get the 1.2 inch and then you get the 1.6 inch. So excited to play with this. And then you get the soft brush and then you get the firm brush attachment. And then you get the round volumizing brush. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with, I think, the curls. I'm excited. I wanna see the curls. I wanna show you guys the curls because that's what I played with the most when we were getting the sneak peek of this product. Let me find my water bottle and spritz my hair to get it a little bit more wet. So here's what the Airwrap tool looks like without any attachments. I just love how sleek it looks. It just looks amazing. So it's very similar to the Dyson, like I mentioned, hair dryer. You have the on button and then the cool button right on top of it. On this side, you have the airflow control. So 3 options. And then the other side, you have the control of the heat. This bad boy has an intelligent heat control that measures 40 times a second just to make sure your hair is nice and safe while using this. That's incredible. I just love innovative technology like this, especially for hair, because there is nothing like this on the market. And I love that Dyson is stepping up their game and kind of like, yeah, that's right, keep up with us. Just like the hairdryer, it's incredible. Okay, let's finally start. I'm sorry, I've been rambling. I'm just so excited. So the trick to this, to see it working, is once the hair wraps around whatever barrel you're going to use, you can touch it, see if it feels wet or dry, and then turn on the cool shot, this little blue button, and hold it there for like 5 to 10 seconds to really set your curl or your hair in place, and then turn it off and let it go. Let's just put it into place. So it's nice and locked, it's not going anywhere, but to unlock it and take it out, you just press it down, hold, and it comes out. So very simple. So I'm gonna turn it on the second airflow and the lowest heat setting, not the cold, but the lowest heat setting, and see how that works for my hair. So cool. All right, I'm gonna hold the hair and then bring the barrel down. Oh my gosh. It just wraps around the barrel. Wow. I think I grabbed way too big of a section. And you can touch it, it's not too hot. I forgot how much I love this. Wow. It literally just sucks the hair around the barrel. How cool. All right, I'm gonna do the cool shot, so hold. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Just look at that. I mean, are you kidding me? Look how bouncy it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. All right, so I'm gonna grab a smaller section. And this is just, you gotta play with your hair, see what fits. My hair is a little bit shorter when I tested this out, so I kind of have to readjust. I'm gonna try it now going down instead of holding the barrel up, just because I'm more used to it that way. So let's do the same thing. Turn it back on. And I think this time I'm gonna do it on the highest airflow, just so it really sucks it in. This is so cool. And the hair is not going inside the barrel, it's just sucking it around the barrel with the Kawanda effect, which is so incredible and so magical. I forgot to mention that the reason why you get two barrels is because they're different directions. I am so sorry. So I want the hair going away from my face, so the mirror is your best friend. So when I look in the mirror, the arrows are pointing away from my face. But when I do it this way, the arrows are pointing towards my face. So the mirror is your best friend in this instance, which is incredible. It makes it easier for you. It's just so much fun. All right, I'm gonna do the cool shot. Hold it for 10 seconds. Oh, wow. Look at that. I mean, wow. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna keep it going with this method just because I'm a little bit more familiar with it. But wow, yeah, definitely a little bit smaller sections. It works best just because the hair is wet. All right, so I've been playing with my hair. I just quickly want to show you guys the volume that it's giving. And I definitely want to play around with it and see how I can get the beach waves with the straight ends if you don't want that really voluminous kind of soft glam waves. So I really want to play with it on the top hair when my hair is a little bit longer. So we're gonna move on. I want to try this brush right here, the soft smoothing brush. And this one's gonna give you more of like that really soft blowout look. So again, to take it off, release, the same thing. You have these little guide attachments. Not attachments, they're just guides, and just very easily just sticks on. And look at this, it moves for the air to come through. And I'm just gonna use it as a brush, basically, and just blow up my hair. So cool. Huh? Yeah, look at this. Ooh! Wow, look at that. So the Kawanda to Smooth effect using the brushes is incredible because it basically attracts your hair to the brush and keeping it nice and smooth and straight, creating this beautiful blowout that you would get at a professional salon from a professional stylist. You can just do it yourself. Wow, I love this so much. All right, I'm gonna re-wet this just because I really wanna focus on the curling barrels for now. So I'm gonna stick with, I think, the 1.2 inch just because my hair is a little bit shorter and I do want more of a wave than just a soft bounce, which the 1.6 will give me or achieve just because my hair is not that long. So let's do the same thing. I'm gonna look in the mirror. Just apply this. Oh, I just love how easy it is. I'm going to re-wet my hair and quickly do this side. Wow. Let's do another layer. For these ones, I want to see if I can create beachy waves that I love so much. And the hair is nice and damp still, so I'm going to start at the very front. And I did the temperature to the highest temp just to make it a little bit quicker. And I'm just going to hold the ends, kind of keeping those ends straight. I'm going to cool shot it and then let go. Oh! Yes! Are you kidding me? We got the beach wave. Okay. Okay. Do you guys, are you guys seeing this? I mean, look at that. It's so shiny. I am literally, I can't stop smiling right now. I'm so happy. All right, I'm just gonna continue doing that because I love a good beach wave. You got it. And it's just holding the hair there. I love that. And keeping the ends off the barrel. Oh. You guys see that, right? It's so soft and shiny and bouncy. All right, I'm just gonna quickly finish this off before my hair dries. But basically what I'm doing is, you guys see, I'm wrapping it, helping it wrap it around, and then just the hair sticks. But I'm holding the ends so they don't continue wrapping around the entire barrel to really give that nice beachy wave. You guys see how intense it is? The Kawanda effect? Wow. Wow. So this is what the hair looks like without me touching it after I try to, or accomplished, the beach waves with the air wrap. I'm just amazed at how good it looks. But let me quickly check how the roots feel. Wow. They feel dry. They actually feel really dry. All right, let me just quickly do this, run my fingers through. Wow. Are you guys seeing this? Like, look at that. That's, wow. That looks so good, and it's so bouncy and shiny. Let's talk about this. Number one, I am obsessed with the way my hair turned out. I'm very happy with the way it looks and feels. I love these waves. Number two, I love that I can customize everything to what I really want and need for my hair. For example, I can create really big, voluminous, bouncy waves, really glam it up, or create these really effortless, chic, beachy waves with the same barrel. Number three, I'm sorry, I'm just playing around with my hair. Number three, I'm obsessed that I can dry my hair and style my hair all at the same time while using one tool and one barrel. I love that. I mean, who doesn't? It saves me time, it saves me energy, and it saves me the amount of products and tools that I need to use to basically style my hair. Number four, there are a lot of techniques that I can use, or you can use, with this tool. For example, you can let the hair wrap itself around using the Kawanda effect around the barrel, or the way that I did, wrap the hair yourself around, have it stick on there, and then just hold the last inch or two of the hair to give it a really nice beachy effect. Not just with the barrels, the brush, the comb, the volumizer brush. It's incredible. You can really play around with it and customize it to your own look. And last but not least is the timing. I really need to figure out for my hair type how big of a section I need to grab and how much time I need to let the hair wrap around the barrel for it to dry, style, and set. So I think for my hair type, I was doing roughly 30 seconds drying it and then styling. And then I was doing the cool shot button to let it set for about 12 to 10 seconds. But yeah, I think that's the only thing that I really need to play around with is the timing, just to see what works best for me. But my hair is completely dry. There are no damp spots, which I think I did a pretty good job for my first time for the entire head. In my opinion, I do believe this tool will be a lot less damaging on my hair because I will be using a lot less heat and time wasted on my hair. This one tool dries my hair and styles my hair all at once in one sitting. I mean, that just to me is a seller right there, just because it's gonna save my hair. Plus the fact the technology is there, it's amazing. And I love the controlled temperature setting that they have to make sure it stays nice and safe for my hair. And if you do wanna buy your own Dyson Airwrap package, you can buy it at any big retailer that sells Dyson, for example, Ulta, Nordstrom, Best Buy, Dyson. But yeah, definitely check this out. Let me know what you guys think, and you will not be disappointed because this is definitely very revolutionary and magical. It's about time. It's about time somebody does something for hair. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.